X8-BT is the most innovative biometric fingerprint reader for access control applications, offering unparalleled performance using an advanced algorithm with excellent reliability, precision and matching speed. It can operate on standalone mode with the interface for third-party electric lock, alarm, door sensor, exit button and doorbell. Features of X8-BT: simple access control function, fingerprint capacity, 500 card capacity, 500 access control interface, third-party electric lock, door sensor, exit button, alarm, doorbell. For more information, contact us, zkteco.com.ph. Thanks for watching a video. More interesting product want to retail or buy, please subscribe this channel.